I'm really excited about how DriveHub monitors. The main advantage is when a power supply or card fails anywhere in the DriveHub system. This is instantly logged and an email sent to the GDS service centre or a dedicated person on the maintenance team in the building. In addition to showing faults, DriveHub has a large suite of reporting that is available on the web server, from usage data, heat mapping, scene control, sensor logging and real-time event reporting. These features are really useful and bring a new, until now unknown, dynamic for usage monitoring. The fan filtering is also a nice touch. It's a design detail on both mini pack and rack, and it's easy to clean during maintenance periods. I love the way you can just have a simple working system or make DriveHub highly configurable for your application.